I got a 2019 Hyundai Sonata. I'm hooking up an amplifier. In order to hook up an amplifier, you go underneath here. You want to run the power wire, a 4 gauge right there. Make sure you don't poke. If you take a coat hanger and push it through there to the left, not to the right, to the left. Make sure you're not hitting any of this electrical wiring. And then you can use WD-40 to push it. And I ran the remote wire right here, just in case someone that need to hook up a remote wire, if they don't have the line out converter that's got a built-in remote wire. What you're gonna have to do right there, you can see right here, it's gonna look like this, the panel. You can pop this off by a flathead or a prier, and just basically pry it out right here, right there, and right there. And then also you got a clip right there. You want to get to this color right there, this white and black. White is positive, black is negative. You want to hook up the speaker wire to it so you can run it to the line out converter. As you can see, I use a T-tap and a male quick disconnect. White to the red, black to the black. So in order to run the wire, you lift the same thing, clip that off, pick this up, let this rear seat down, and run it to the side right here, underneath this, and come straight out right here. I'm gonna make a ground right there. Right here, I ran the wire, speaker wire right there, all the way here, and I'm using line out converter is Kislock 2, which is got the remote wire. So I ran the blue wire to the remote, black wire to the black, which this blue wire that I ran to the ground underneath here, right there. And then I'm just run this speaker to the speaker wire to the speakers. Got the power from the battery to here to the B plus. And then I'm gonna plug the jack from the line out converter to here to the input of the amp, and right there, it doesn't matter which one it is. So like so. The wire loom to cover this red wire right there. Wire loom will look something like this, like that. That's wire loom. And then I'm gonna take this 10mm out and stick this in there, the rings terminal, to the ring terminal.